Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Yandere simulator on your PC or laptop. Follow the steps that I'm going to say in this video. First, open your Google Chrome in your PC and you have to visit Yandere simulator website. So on the search section, type Yandere simulator and enter that. Here we can see tap on the first section and you have to navigate to the download section. Look for the downloads which I could see right here and you have to click on the download. So here it says Yandere simulator is still in the development, but you can download the demo. There are two ways to download the demo. So in the bottom where it says download launcher, click that section and here we could see our Yandere simulator is being downloaded. And that's it guys, this is how you can download Yandere simulator. And once the installation is complete, you can launch Yandere simulator from the desktop shortcut or from the installation directory. And do note that Yandere simulator is a game with mature themes and is intended for adult audiences. Make sure to review the system requirements for the game to ensure that your PC or laptop meets the necessary specification to run it smoothly. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.